Mastering the dry brush effect. A creative leap in art. Hello everyone, and welcome to our Creative Corner. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of painting techniques, focusing on the dry brush effect. This method is not just about painting. It's about unleashing your creativity and adding that unique touch to your artwork. So, let's embark on this artistic journey together and explore how the dry brush effect can transform your canvas. The dry brush effect is a painting technique where a brush is lightly loaded with paint and then gently dragged over the canvas. The key here is the minimal amount of paint and the dryness of the brush. Unlike traditional painting methods that involve wet brushes and heavy paint, this technique creates a scratchy, textured look that brings out the underlying canvas or paper texture. It's all about control and allowing the brush to dance lightly on the canvas, creating a unique blend of colors and textures. Before we start, it's important to choose the right tools. You'll need paintbrushes. Ideally, stiff bristled brushes work best for the dry brush technique. Paint. You can use any paint, but acrylics or oils are commonly preferred for their thick texture. Paper or canvas. The choice is yours, but a textured surface will enhance the dry brush effect. Remember, the key is not the cost of the tools, but understanding how to use them to achieve the desired effect. 1. Preparation. Start with a dry, clean brush and a small amount of paint. 2. Application. Gently drag the brush across your canvas. The goal is to let the brush bristles lightly skim the surface. 3. Layering. Build the color gradually. Layering adds depth and complexity to your artwork. 4. Experimentation. Don't hesitate to experiment with brush sizes, pressure, and paint consistency. Each variation can add a new dimension to your art. Test first. Always try the technique on a scrap piece of paper before going to the actual canvas. Mix textures. Combine the dry brush effect with other techniques for more dynamic artwork. Stay gentle. Too much pressure can ruin the subtle, textured look. Keep your touch light and airy. The dry brush effect is more than a technique. It's a way to express your artistic voice uniquely and creatively. Remember, every stroke is a step on your creative journey. So grab your brush, set your canvas, and let your art speak the language of textures and hues. We hope this video helps you master the dry brush effect and inspires you to keep experimenting and creating. Happy painting, and until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.